Alright everyone, I just wanted to make a quick little video, well let's hope it'll be quick, about replacing the emblem on your Chevrolet vehicle. This is a 2011 Silverado, and if you're like me and you love your truck, seeing something like this every time you get in it drives you nuts. So what I do, I got on YouTube, looked for videos. Everything I saw is people taking the entire steering wheel apart, the airbag, all that. I'm an experienced mechanic and I still don't want to mess with that. I just want to pop this out and replace it. So the first thing I did is I disconnected the negative battery terminal, got rid of the power, so the horn's not going to honk and the airbag's not going to go off. Went to Amazon, picked myself up one of these. I believe they're like 14 bucks. Yeah, looks as good as the original. I was really surprised actually. The quality's really good. So today we're gonna try to pop this out. I'm working away around the edge here. Most people are just gonna have something like a flat blade. Gonna try to not use this because I don't want to mar up the steering wheel. Same with the pick. I have some cheap Harbor Freight door panel pry bars, so I'm gonna try those out because they're just a really hard plastic and shouldn't affect the material on the steering wheel as much. But we'll see what happens here. It's actually a lot tougher than I initially anticipated. Right now I'm kind of working this in the top and just kind of turning it. I don't really want to wrench on it too much. And if you look, those tabs, are pulling out of the back there. Yeah, so it's pretty much just starting to come out now. It was a little tough at first. Like I said, I was really trying not to mess up the outer part of the steering wheel. But I mean, look, here you go. There's no airbag, no nothing. Literally out. Yeah, it's destroyed, but looks like there might have been some adhesive on the back. But yeah, the steering wheel is not messed up. We're gonna spray some spray in here, get it cleaned up real good before we move on. And next we're gonna bend the tabs, get it to match that one so we could get in there. Hopefully we're smart enough to install it straight. Let's just bank on that happening. It's necessarily important to match this 100%. It doesn't have to look exactly like these. Just got to have that same little function. So I'm going to continue the style of bend that I had started on the new piece. I just got to make sure I don't bend them in so much. Have a pair of duckbill pliers or whatever anyone else calls them. They're just pliers. Gonna make a little bend here about halfway down the point from the first bend to give it that nice little kink. And then we're just gonna slowly work away around. The first bend, I'm literally just using the width of the pliers, bending it in a little bit, about the length of the pliers from the top, bend it back, and then about halfway from there, gonna bend it back in. Not perfect. This isn't a fab shop. This is my garage. We're just trying to fix our truck. And we're gonna go see if we can pop this in real quick and if it'll stay or if we need to make some adjustments. So, we got them a little straighter up now. Detail spray, cleaning spray, Windex, whatever. Just there's gonna be some gunk in there. Get it nice and clean. Just do yourself that favor before you go ahead and get too far into this. And I'm just very lightly pressing this in with equal force all the way around. Because like I said, we don't want to warp this. And just did all this work. And I mean, I could probably get it to set a little better in there. But I mean, I didn't take the airbag out. I didn't take the steering wheel apart. It's literally going to take me longer to edit these videos together and post them than it did do the whole job. You know, It's not going anywhere. It's in there. Take a little rag. Get a nice little shine. Damn, look at that. That's way better. No airbag shenanigans. Not at all. So yeah, that's really all it takes. If you guys have any questions, let me know. If you want me to link any of the products I used doing this. Seriously, guys. I hate saying it's only going to be a 15-minute job, because when you say that, it turns into a 3-hour job, but this is a 15-minute job.